Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how you can use the artifact feature from Claude. I was just discussing with my boss the other day, and we were clients keep on asking us questions on the artifacts that Claude creates. How can we download them, reuse them, etc. So just want to share that process with everyone. All you will need is an HTML online viewer and on Claude, whatever you're trying to create, whether it is a mock-up, a diagram, a checklist, anything, right? For example, let's say you're creating a presentation. I have something here that I was covering in the training today, and there was an error in that. So I'll just rectify that. Just to show you, there was a simple sales data set. I uploaded a table. I asked it to create a dashboard. There was an error. Then I was able to create a dashboard. Then I, as a final step, had asked it to create a PowerPoint, which is right here at the bottom. I asked you to create a PowerPoint, right? And the PowerPoint did not have these buttons working or clickable. I just want to make sure that the buttons are clickable. So I want to say that the buttons are not working. Make sure navigation works properly and it's HTML page itself, right? So the keyword is that you would want it to have an HTML page. I had got the output earlier just to show it to you. Let me just go to my downloads, and that's HTML, and I'm going to open that, and you can see that it opens, but the buttons were not working for some reason, right? So the first page was good, but the buttons were not working. So I want to come back to Claude and just we'll have to wait for a few seconds, maybe 30-45 seconds for it to complete or compiling or writing the code. And once we get the code, all we have to do is to paste the code here in this html.online viewer. That allows us to download the code, export it, and then we can open it directly in the browser. Just yesterday, my boss was telling me, Havish sir was telling me different capabilities that you can upload files, you can create something where you can upload a video, you could upload your files and you could ask it to list the columns, list or do some data analytics, all of that directly in the browser itself. Let me just check if the pages are working. The pages are working right now. So I'm going to copy the entire code. I'm going to come back, paste my entire code here. I'm going to export this, and this gets exported as a .html file, and I can click on save, and I can come to the downloads button here, and I can try to open this, and I have a 16:9 dashboard completely in HTML, and I can navigate the buttons as well. I asked it for a 3 slide deck, hence it created a 3 slide deck only. If we could have asked for something else, it would have made something else as well. And this is only basis HTML. And remember, in my original data, I only have sum of sales and sum of profit. I don't have these calculations, okay? I don't have these calculations, right? I don't have these calculations. I don't have the margin, right? And yeah, I don't know where it is getting the year on year from. There's no year on year, but yeah, it is able to calculate and create something, and it is able to give you strategic recommendations as well. I could have specified what kind of slides I wanted. I just said I want to create a 3 slide deck, use HTML. I have to present to my national sales head, keep the presentation professional. I was doing a workshop on Excel with the sales team, and I was teaching them pivot tables, and I wanted to demonstrate AI to them. And this is how we can do it. This is the website html.onlineviewer.net. Paste your HTML code, export it, and you will have a clickable PowerPoint sort of a interface in the browser directly. That's all for this video. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and stay tuned for more videos on Excel, PowerPoint, Power BI, GenAI, and everything to do in and around analytics. See you again.